up, fam? Hope this message finds you all wonder spirits. Whoa, yes, it is happening. We have Mamba versus Hulk, one of the most requested videos since we got the Mamba back from VMP. So we're going to have some fun, do some tests, see what the 60 to 130 is. So excited, but we have to remind you, yes, this video is brought to you by GT500giveaway.com. It ends in 16 days. Only 16 days remain to enter to win a 2020 Shelby GT500. Every $10 spent is an entry to win. Let me show you some cool stuff here. This has like been a big seller now too, is the book bags. We got the book bags coming in there with the American flag, looking pretty cool. And when we get closer to about 14 days left, we have a new product that we've already told our email subscribers about, they have the first dibs. So if you want to know those secret products they're releasing, check out the site, sign up for the email updates, and you'll get new information and updates on the products coming out. And also, just a caveat, please bear with us on the shipping. The orders are coming a mile a minute. We're kind of a very small team. We're doing our best, so bear with us. They're coming. You got your order. Your purchases are entry. Stay tuned. I'll shut up. Let's get a cold start. Let's get into the video.
Jump out and obviously stay. So it'll come down to technique.
This is pretty cool.
Off the hit, it'll come down to technique.
All right, I'm gonna start. What's up, fam? Hope this message finds you all well in good spirits. Well, what you all have asked for, what you've been waiting for, that's right. We have a matchup of sibling rivalries here on the StangMode channel. We have our 2020 Shelby GT500, we're calling the Hulk. And again, we have the beloved Black Mamba. You guys love this car, and so do I. This is the new VMP ODIN kit boosted Black Mamba. Now, if you guys don't know, now you know. This car is ridiculously fast. It went 9.5 at 150.
There it is, baby.
In the quarter, full weight, in Florida. And that's what you set up today with E85. And of course, we have the Hulk, completely bone stock tires, stock everything. Just a simple resident delete and some tinted windows. But this went a 10.5 at 135. We know it should be a slaughterhouse, but what we're excited to see is that we're not doing the drag racing today. We're going to see what these cars do from a roll and how they affect the difference. Of course, we have the 10-speed, the 7-speed dual clutch, and see how these go out. I mean, obviously, this is 200 horsepower more than this car and lighter. I don't know the exact weight of this car. We want to weigh that. I'm going to say 3,900 something. This is 4,100, so it should be a slaughterhouse. We'll find out. We're going to have some fun. Super excited. These cars look mean together. Comment below which is your favorite car of the channel. Is it the Hulk? It is the Mamba? Or is it both?
The DCT is a lot more efficient.
Yep.
10-speed. But if both people are in paddles, then it might be kind of cool to see from a roll. So, I don't know.
Let me show you what the two S550s look like. We do have the Mickey Thompson ET Street SS's on here, and these are the stock P0s that come on the EcoBoost of all things. There you go, stock life here. We do have some beauty parts with the JLT coolant cover and a JLT catch can. All right, y'all think you need a catch can? This is after our road trip to Florida. Look at all that. Whew. Whew. But that's the 760 horsepower 2020 Shelby GT500. We did dyno it at 650 wheel, 760 crank is what it says, and this is the 855 wheel horsepower.
Prop rod life, baby.
Prop rod, 7 speed. I'm so used to 10 or 80, built 10 or 80. 855 wheel. What is that crank? Like 930 crank, 940 crank, 970 crank. Tyler made a good point of how big this throttle body is. This is
for comparison. This is about
Rin Jet 69 mil.
And you look at the 500 and it's
stock.
about finger length. It's the throttle bodies alone is almost twice as big visually.
Yeah.
On the 18, it's nuts.
There are guys who'd rather boost their GT than buy a 500.
100%.
Yeah, I mean this car. I'll do a video where I walk around with every price, every mod. This car is 50. All the mods in it probably about 25, 30 maybe.
It really depends what kind of guy you are. I mean,
yeah.
Because if you want, you could for what you pay for this, you could make a GT everything you want and probably a little bit more.
Yep.
You know what I mean? So it comes down to what you like to do.
What you like to do.
That car, you go down the highway at 90 miles an hour, you put the windows up, it's silent.
It's like you're in an aircraft carrier.
It doesn't rickety, it doesn't rack.
This at 60, you're like, think you're going like, you know, light speed. Yeah, you're about to take off. But yeah, these cars are beautiful. It's really cool to have these two cars like together again. Well, for the first time. They're so it's funny. They're same.
So different.
They behave so differently. Which front end do you like better? I got to go with the 500 just cuz I think it looks more menacing.
It's so much bigger.
It looks huge cuz it takes in all the air. I like the headlights better than the 18. It's just me being biased.
I kind of like the 18 headlights.
They look more.
The 500 has the contrast going on.
Yeah. The 500 is a special car. This is a really fast car, like, and it depends, like, you know.
It's funny if somebody rolls up on you on the street, they're gonna assume the 500.
They're gonna assume the 500's faster. Yep.
I mean, the B-blocks kind of give it away right now, but
yeah. Just a hair. There we go. Two beasts, 5.0, 5.2, ODIN Supercharger VMP kit, and of course that is a factory Eaton 265. On 93, this is 85. Listen, just saying the stats out loud, it should be pretty bad, but you know, this is gonna be pretty bad. It should be.
It
should be.
If it's not,
I'll be shocked.
Yeah. No, you should put bus lengths on Hulk.
Yeah, I'll be shocked. And now, you know, we'll see. The whole point of keeping the 500 stock. Now, there are a ton of modified 500s out there in the community. So, I'm letting them do their thing and be the guinea pig for now. We're going to enjoy what Ford built and keep our warranty. And it's such a good car stock.
I want to go around, mess around. This is perfect.
Yeah, and one of the things I like doing the 2018 is, you know, not that it's not a lot of money, but if the trans or bottom end or anything goes, it's a lot more doable than... What was it? I think he said the motor was what, 35 grand on the GT500?
$36,000.
Yeah. So let me put it this way. Let me put it to you like this. I paid 52 stickers for that GT because it was brand new, factory, premium performance pack. Just this motor and trans alone cost as much as that entire car new. So that's why I love this car. I know the motor's 35 grand, the trans is 20. So we're going to keep the warranty. We're going to change the oil and enjoy what Ford built. But we do have our fully modified Mustang GT. And it goes, the question is begged, is it better to build your GT or buy a factory 2020 GT500? So let's answer that question.
See which one gets the garage space.
The only reason, good, that's a good point. I love them both. I mean, obviously my heart is with the Mamba because I had that longer. That's what really built this channel was the black Mamba. And the 500 was more like a trophy piece for the channel. You know, like we achieved and we got there. It's what the channel, the 500 is kind of like the channel's like, you know, I don't know, Stanley Cup. I don't know. It's just, it's cool to have it, and I love having it, and we're going to try to keep it. So, but enough talking. Let's get to the road and see what happens. right, so that was pretty much what we thought. That was a slaughterhouse. Mamba's a fast car.
Yeah, 500 is fast, and this makes it look slow.
That was pretty much no contest. So
all I know is you see what Hulk does to Hellcats.
yeah, this was a good kind of measuring test to see how the car performed. So yeah, she moves out. So I mean, obviously this is a fully modified car at this point. But yeah, it was pretty much slaughterhouse. And this is a bone stock 500, and this is a fully modified, supercharged, VMP boosted 2018 Mustang with a built 10R80. So what do you see from your vantage point?
Once you're in gear,
It's gone. It's gone. Yeah.
It's no contest. The car is so much lighter. It's so much more powerful. It gets it off the hit. It gets it after the hit. It's just faster.
It's it's faster. A lot. I mean, listen, a full second.
You, man, the 500 is not slow.
This is not. Yeah, listen. Let me tell you something. This is not to trash the 500. The 500 is a fast car, but the Mamba, the way it's set up, is just no contest. Well, that sucks.